So the next thing I know, it was 19 Jan,
Huh.
and I was made to meet Mr. Bansali
Okay.
in his office. The reason why I was mentioning or focusing on the dates was because it happened to be my birthday,
Which one is? the
19
birthday?
Jan.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so it was quite memorable for me to be meeting him in person. I'd grown up
So
watching
if you
films
could say
like
that's a lucky, auspicious date in the sense your birthday, you meet.
more than that, it was very memorable.
Did
you
you
know,
tell him it's your birthday?
No, I didn't.
Ah.
I didn't. I mean,
Then
I was so
very hard for him not to have that, because you're emotional as Indians.
नहीं and
उसके बाद
emotional.
वो तो birthday पे आई थी. I can't say no to her now.
नहीं मुझे ऐसा प्रेशर नहीं देना था. मुझे अपनी मेरिट पे काम
Take
चाहिए.
whatever chance you get in life. Don't have this arrogance. What is this
मिल
nonsense?
गया ना, काम तो मिल ही गया.
Cyrus says the show's name. You can see a very upset artist, guest. Artist, wrong word. Artist, right word?
Yeah, we are all artists. Filmmakers are artists, aren't we?
Yeah, filmmaker. But let me explain. This is Shruti Mahajan from Lady Shriram College, one of my favorite colleges. Were you in the hostel?
Yeah.
Did you know the-
Residence. It's not called hostel. It's the residence hall.
The residence hostel.
Hall.
Residence hall.
Yeah.
Already we've started on such a good note. And did you have the Dhobi? The same famous guy?
No, so our corridors were named as Dhobi, Upper.
नहीं वो तो सबसे फेमस आदमी है लेडी श्रीराम कॉलेज में. I've interviewed him back in 1998.
Yeah, so no, it was our bhaiyajis, the chowkidars.
They would do all for the boys to come and
yeah,
send
so
notes.
the
and all.
bhaiyajis were most important for us.
When you say bhaiya ji, what do you mean? I'm a little confused.
The chowki, the
you
guards,
call them bhaiya ji out
the
of
watchmen.
reverence.
हाँ,
ठीक है, bhaiya ji.
Yeah, respect.
But not the Dhobi was the main guy. He was the boss.
Yeah,
of the syndicate.
Yeah. So what would in my case I would always go. I'm from Jaipur,
Right.
right? So I would go back home, and my laundry was done over the weekend. So I was
Wow.
like one of those privileged kids.
Sounds like you really struggled.
Yeah.
हाँ, Friday पे मैं घर जाऊँगा.
हाँ, so every Friday, my brother and my mother and my father knew that before she would enter, there would be bags. The laundry is here. Get it done. Sunday afternoon, I have to head back.
But this is not a. This story makes sense because Americans also do the same thing. Those who can afford to go back on weekends and all. Everything is done at home and you come back. I accept this.
Okay.
Why do you want to suffer?
Yeah, so maybe I was already American in my head.
You're Americanized for some reason. But let's start at the beginning of this story. Shruti Mahajan earns crores of rupees today, is wanted by the Enforcement Directorate. Right now, I've locked the door, so there's no trouble.
Manifest.
अच्छा. But in India, you need that, na. जब तक वो दरवाजा पे नहीं आएगा, you're not really made it, I feel.
Yeah.
The moment they come now, the celebrity actually says कि thank God तो आ गया, and then they get worried.
So is it like when Cyrus knocks on your door, now you've arrived, आ गया? It's like
And
that?
you should call the police because some, creepy old man is entering some lady's bedroom. I think honestly that's not a good. Please, guys, if I knock on your door, call the police. I'm telling you right now. My wife also does twice a week at least. And this is out of sheer खुन्नस. तो आ गया वापस. Ting. Police. Let's tell your story.
Okay.
So Shruti is a casting director. Is that is that the right label?
Yeah.
Because
Thank you for
back
not
in the
saying a
day-
casting agent.
Yeah, back in the day, there was. I'm trying to remember the word when I was about 14. We were doing a movie called Jalwa and all. There was no casting director, agent. There was some other word that I don't know what they were called. Managers, maybe?
Yeah, there are managers and there are casting agents. Even now, I mean, that's a very lucrative job and it does exist. But that's very different from being a casting director. So a casting director is hired by the production house, by a director. And you're creatively involved. You don't have a pool of talent which you are handling. So you get paid by the production house and it's a specialized job.
Right. So you're in the process where they're creating who the actors should be fitting the
Yes,
part and all.
yes.
You're part of that process.
Pre-production.
So almost the director and you have to see eye to eye and then you cast together. Is that correct to say?
Yeah. So a director has a vision and you enhance, encourage, motivate all those words.
And the producer has a budget. That also makes a difference.
So that's the biggest challenge of a casting
yes,
director.
I can imagine. Director कुछ भी बोलता है. I want Johnny Depp. Small role जो भी है.
And every producer says, मैडम बहुत छोटा फिल्म है हमारा. कितना भी बड़ा फिल्म हो पर casting के लिए it's always छोटा फिल्म.
मेरी लाइफ की कहानी है. The first line they say is shoestring budget. I don't know if shoestring is still used, but back in the 90s, shoestring budget all the time. Moment the call comes, sir, एक बात, shoestring budget है. फिर भी क्या रोल है, क्या point है, क्या show है, क्या film है, क्या plot है, all that after that.
Yeah. So when you read a script and you're like, oh wow, this is like grand, it's larger than life, oh, wonderful. हाँ मैडम, डायरेक्टर का विजन बहुत बड़ा है पर बजट हमारा बहुत छोटा है. Then you look at them and you're like, अच्छा पर मतलब actors तो we will need a certain kind of actor. मैम इसीलिए आपको हायर कर रहे हैं. Like, you have to
Get those actors, but in our budget.
in our budget.
Yeah. Which is possible if you pay in cash. I'm just joking.
I don't. I'm not part of this conversation.
Okay, Shruti, I want to go back. I've just rushed. Let's go back because you're from Jaipur, Lady Shri Ram College, and then you went to you went to study abroad.
No, I never went.
You went Citibank?
Yeah, I did my MBA.
You want a credit card? This is the time to ask. Huh.
I've just lost
MBA.
one.
Wow.
Yeah, so I did my MBA because I come from a very typical
Educated.
family. Dad is an IPS officer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, mom did MPhil, whatever, worked, has her own, she's an entrepreneur, has her own thing. Like she always had this, like, padhoge, likhoge, banoge nawab. So very clear that you need to get your degrees in place. Uske baad, whatever you want to do in life, just to make them happy.
So where was the MBA from?
I went back to Jaipur.
Okay.
And that's Poddar, R.A. Poddar.
Of course.
Yeah.
I know the family. Not really, but
Yeah.
I sort of know.
I know the family.
You know that. Stop showing off, yaar. Shruti. What kind of show is this? Yeah? If we both show off, then the show's going to go nowhere. So you finished your MBA.
Yeah.
So at which point you're...
HR. So I did my...
in HR?
Yeah, master's in HR.
Mhm,
And I was picked by Citi. I worked with Citi.
those were the days in MBAs, they would come to the campus and...
Yeah. I was one of
know.
those few who got campus placed.
Which
Little
is
show
great.
off again.
Which means you're made for corporate life.
No.
No, I mean, at that point, I'm thinking because you're the guy, you're the few people who are get called by the companies, so you're top of the bracket in the sense.
I think I'm such a people's person. I think that's one of the reason I did
But
specialization
HR, no?
in HR.
हाँ.
And which is very similar to what
Although-
I'm doing now.
हल्का सा paradox है उसमें ना, because you're also firing.
I see as hiring.
Yeah, but also fine. It's like it's like you're killing and you're giving birth. So then I'm a little, like, boss, make up your mind, yeah. You've made somebody really happy. Costa Banerjee's got a job. He's happy.
Okay, fire पर प्यार से.
प्यार से?
Yeah.
ये कैसे बात है?
Be empathetic.
What? Your life is over here. Leave the company, but come for Christmas party. What? I mean, like, how do you?
No, so I was very smart enough. I took the recruitment side.
Only.
Yeah, only.
So you didn't have to do the
So
dirty
I
work.
did not. I was too new in the corporate world, so I was learning recruitment. Till then, I realized that I'm not a corporate person. I'm not a 9 to 5 person. I'm not happy getting a monthly check, and I'm only working for a monthly check, and it just did not excite me enough. And that's where I realized.
I'm getting confused. So what you're saying is that they put you in recruitment
Yeah.
Initially, और उसके बाद as you go up in the structure of HR, the one who's doing well gets to fire people.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is really funny.
Yeah, so first they introduce you to the good side.
Yeah.
And then they see, अच्छा, now you become a toughie.
और इतना frustrated है आदमी कि now you'll be happy to fire.
Yeah.
Can you actually, that makes sense. All of us here given the job for 5 years will be like, I'll do it.
Yeah. And then your own frustrations also come out, na?
Yeah.
In a particular system. Then you're good at giving it back to people.
So how long were you there?
Hardly. I was there for a year and a half. I moved to Bombay.
Okay.
And
So how did this parivartan happen? Because it's nowhere in the makeup is there anything about casting and getting into creative side at all at the moment, or was there?
no. I was always, when I was in school and college, I had this creative side to me. I'm a classical dance. I learned Kathak.
Correct, you're trained classical
Yeah,
dancer.
I learned Kathak, and then I also did some jazz.
What's that, people? करके दिखाओ, ma'am. They don't believe what you're
उसके
saying.
लिए अगला.
अगला
You'll
मतलब?
have to call me again. Na? That this today the deal was only this show.
Superstar already, huh? Unbelievable.
No. So actors, that's what I keep telling actors that
Pay for every word.
Yeah, just before the show, remember I told you?
Yeah.
I was telling Mausam that, you have to make sure that you're paid for everything.
I think so. It's a fair thing. That's your profession.
Yeah, and
It's fair.
art.
I don't answer the phone. People call me up and say, hello, Cyrus. I don't talk. I don't talk till they offer some money. And it's normally my mother. Poor thing. Saying, कि दरवाजा खोलो मैं नीचे हूँ. And I still don't answer her. I say, Mom, I want to be paid. You think
And
it's
in
unfair?
It's very unfair. And what about Aisha?
Oh, shoot. She's done her research.
Yeah.
Now my mood is gone. I wish I was in HR. Wish I could fire. So you were trained dancer. That skill was there. But you're
Trained, yes. I love dancing. And I did a lot of...
No, for those who don't know, since I know a couple of ladies when I was growing up in college and all, and seeing how much work they had to put in, it's a proper
Riyaz.
It's not just a
discipline.
hobby.
Yeah, it's a discipline. You have
Many
to,
hours of
many hours. And when I got into 10th grade, I couldn't cope up, and that's when my parents were like, "You better choose." And again, then that's a very early in life. I got to know that you have to focus on your studies.
Right.
And
Which is not what we tell people on this podcast. We always say
so-
कि पढ़ाई बेकार है. Do something more with your life.
yeah, so this is exactly
That's why we called you.
yeah, so that is what, I did get to that. I followed that path.
Although your story is a successful one. So the sad part is you were doing really well. You're in corporate world. You're in City Bank. You're in HR. You're going up in that department. You're probably heading it in the next few years.
Yeah, but that wasn't my calling. That wasn't making me happy.
मगर chance तो मिल गया ना. People don't get that chance. A lot of people, life passes them by with nothing. You had 2 great moments. You already did well in corporate life, and then you got into the artistic field. So you're lucky.
No, so I
See
don't
the people
know.
in this room, all failures. See their faces. See the sadness. Sorry, Shruti, interrupt me at any point. I just go on and doing my thing.
No, so I would say that I might not have done really well had I stayed there for.
Because you were unhappy.
I was unhappy. So if you're unhappy at a particular point in your life or in a career, they say that if you love your job, you don't have to work a day.
What if you're unhappy in your marriage? Then can you walk out and go from, like, if I want to leave my marriage and go to somewhere else, is that
you have
okay?
to ask Seema auntie.
She charges money. I'd rather stay in marriage.
So I
don't
told you,
wanna pay.
yeah, I also charge for everything.
What the hell?
Yeah. Such kind of
थोड़ा सा
random.
wisdom दे दो.
नहीं, wisdom मतलब मैं खुद को नहीं पता ये सब. मैं
But nobody who answers has it. Come on.
शादी का नहीं. You asked me about casting or filmmaking.
We are coming
वो
to
मैं
that. That's the
बता
main
सकती
point of the show. But let's again rewind back to Citibank, because you said you're unhappy. Was there some moment where you felt ki one day that I can't do this anymore? Was there
just
like
getting up every morning to go to work, and that excitement wasn't there. What am I creating? That whole thing of creating something is something what.
But in a way you're
Also, I have a major filmy kida.
वो तो ठीक है 6 बजे के बाद तो कर सकते हैं ना. You can watch your movies and enjoy and all.
No, so in corporate setup, you don't have that 6 baje. You know you're walking in an office at a particular time, but then you're a slave.
Citibank.
Yeah.
Suno. 6 o'clock is 6 o'clock. If you were in Citibank Chennai, they would have shut. Problem is in Mumbai, Delhi and all, they don't have understanding of timing.
Yeah.
They have to. The discipline in India has to change. 9 to 5, 10 to 6, whatever.
So it's not only Citibank, it's just that I was not enjoying. I know my friends from the corporate world, they love it. They're thriving.
Yeah.
It's just I felt like fish out of water. And I wanted to watch movies. I wanted to go to theater, watch plays, watch dance shows. I mean, why not? If this is
Did
what
you start doing that? Did you bunk work?
Yeah, I would not bunk work. I'm a
बाद
little
में?
diligent kind of a person, so नहीं वो bunking नहीं कर पाई. But the minute I quit my job, all I did.
No,
when I
one
took
second,
a-
how did you quit your job? Because, I mean, it's a courageous moment. How would you got parents to answer to and friends?
No,
and
so once I got my degree, I got married, I moved to Bombay. Then my answerability and accountability was not to my parents.
Then to whom?
Myself.
Much better. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was very clear. Once I moved to Bombay, I worked here for some time.
But you moved to Bombay with Citibank? Or you moved, you quit?
No, so I moved to Bombay with a job, but I took a few days off.
Okay.
And in those few days, I knew I'm not coming back.
Okay, so you had
So
what is...
I had a job,
Huh.
but I was not going to the job.
So there was a vacuum between this job and that
Yes,
job.
yes.
You changed cities. Or
Yes,
उस
and I was
time-
traveling.
You were traveling?
Yeah,
And
so
in
I was very clear
huh.
that I have to travel the world. I want to wake up.
You went and traveled the world in between?
World, matlab whatever. How many?
Bangladesh, Nepal.
Yeah, Bangladesh,
Fair
Nepal,
enough.
Sri Lanka.
Whatever budget is.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka bhi gaya?
Sri Lanka bhi
Oh, special. Laundry every weekend. This woman is your
I
surname
mean-
Tata or Ambani? What is
Imagine.
it?
Yeah, money lenders.
Possible, yeah.
Money होना
I
चाहिए.
related to Siddharth Mahajan, he was in class with me. But
होगा, I'm
but
sure.
Dally boy. वो Dally boy. जयपुर का कुछ connection नहीं है.
So my forefathers are from Pakistan. So उसके भी होंगे.
You want to start a fight?
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know why I asked you that. Said if you're, I'm not in touch with Siddharth. In case you're related and you go back to Pakistan, you meet him, say hi. Huh?
Okay. I still haven't traveled to, but now you've given me travel goals.
Well, if the world becomes a little more peaceful, you can start casting people from across.
Yeah,
different
Hira Mandi is
nations.
actually a story from Lahore.
It is technically, yeah.
Yeah, so we did a lot of research.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty aware of that.
But we'll come to that. Let's just now understand this thing, this moment in your life where you decide, ki, this is not for me, and you're traveling the world, you're watching movies. What was in your head? What to do? Because you're obviously a very...
No, I was just wanting to live my life. I was too exhausted, or maybe I was too excited. I was this 22-year-old girl getting freedom, getting to live your life. I'd made some money. So I was not answerable to anyone. I was like, okay, let's just blow up all
The
the
future
money.
plan नहीं था.
उस
You were
समय
just
कुछ
like, let me
नहीं था.
rest for a little while and have a good time.
Yeah, enjoy being a married girl with the
How do you enjoy
freedom.
being a married girl?
Blowing up your husband's money.
Huh. Aisha, find some other husband. Huh.
So yeah, so that is how it all started for me. And in that period, I got pregnant. Then again I got to be a mum
At home. So
at
it
home.
extended the
Yeah,
the leave of absence, if you like.
Yes.
Huh.
Yeah, so 3 years I was on sabbatical.
3 years.
Yeah, 3
It's
years.
a long time.
Yeah. 3
Considering that you were trained for the corporate world, that you were always good at, studies, you had all this sort of like ambition at one point, and then suddenly you take a 3-year gap and then you switch completely. So, so in those 3 years, when did it dawn on you, now let me do something else?
So the minute my daughter started to go to play school, this is when I felt the need to get back to work. But was it corporate world? No, that was not exciting. I was done. I was
Yeah.
done. Very early I knew that I can't think straight, or I can't think when I'm in a structured
Also, I think if
setup.
you have that mindset for the corporate world which you had for some time, the ruthless targets, I've got to do things or whatever, there's a certain mindset that we're trained
Yes,
for.
I think I don't work well in structured setups.
Right.
It has to be out of the box. It has to be.
Should have tried politics. Apna rules bhi chalega usme. You just do your own thing.
But yeah, everywhere there's politics, na?
Sweet. Beautiful shot. Square cut. 4 runs. Unbelievable. Fair point. So 3 years have passed. You have your daughter. Your daughter's not going to school. Your responsibilities is becoming a little less direct ones.
And I'm a hyper person.
And you're a hyper person.
Yeah, so I need to channelize my energies.
So then?
And there also I had a lot of director, filmmaker friends.
Like?
Lots of them.
Why is she laughing? As if she's telling a lie. I just want to know if they help her career. That's my reason.
There's this director, writer friend called Sameer Sharma.
Okay.
And he's made a film called Love Shav, the Chicken Kurana.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so he's a very dear friend.
So you were involved in that film?
No.
That's recent, about 4-5 years, no?
No, more than that.
Oh.
He would come, we would jam and sit and talk about
So you started
rubbish.
getting into his world.
Yeah,
in a
his
sense.
world. And so there was Saurabh Narang. Lots of director friends who would sit and talk, and they felt that I have an aptitude for filmmaking.
And from Bachpan say you watch movies and
Yeah,
and you
Chitrahar.
retain the.
Yeah,
some people have the ability to do reference to context of films and all that.
Totally. I also a lot of drama. I did a lot of
Chitrahar, you're
theatre.
saying the singing Chitrahar?
Yeah, the Chitrahar
which
Friday, Wednesday, Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, she's almost my generation. Much younger, of course, but still, huh? Yeah.
Thank you.
It was lovely. Those Hindi films were great because the 6 different outfits in a 4.5-minute song.
Yes, I
Which-
remember
which,
I was
you
4
know,
5 years old.
Meenakshi Shishadri would do in my time. Fantastic.
Yeah. So I was 4 5 years old, and my mom used to watch Chitrahar. And I would sit with her, and the only exciting thing over a weekend or a weekday would be, listen, I get to watch Chitrahar. And while the song would be on, I would do my dancing steps, like tack, 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 tack. And my mom would be like, yeah, very good, you've got the moves. So,
But you're a classically trained dancer, and they were doing more like jazz fusion dancing sometimes. How would that
break
work?
dance.
You can break dance?
No. I'm just saying that those steps then were more like break dance.
Okay, you made your own steps. This is not your classical training.
Yeah. No, and I was 4 5 years old.
But you were training?
I was watching and I was learning.
Oh, good enough.
So I knew that, my mom knew that I'm pretty much inclined to all of this. And every Friday I would watch movies, first day, first show.
So first we had it on Sunday, then
Yeah.
before cable TV came. Now you'll have to ask your parents about this because our generation is different. Then we had the Friday thing that would happen, the movies release. But that, of course, those days it was cheaper. That's what I remember. Now we can't watch anything on Friday. It costs too much money, this Inox, Pinox and all.
So, when I was in LSR, we had that 10 rupees ka ticket.
Wow.
I don't know if you're aware of it. It was the first day, first show.
Huh.
So I would bunk college to get that, and you had to stand in that long queue, which meant reaching PVR.
6 in the morning.
Yeah, around 7:30 in the morning to get that 10 rupees ticket. So I've done multiple times.
No, that's fabulous.
Yeah. So that was the fun and
The
thrill.
hunger.
The hunger and the
I once stood
pure
outside
cinema.
a working women's hostel in Kulava at 6 in the morning till the police came. I don't know why they complained. I was just standing. मैं कुछ किया भी नहीं.
तभी complain किया.
पता नहीं 8 बजे तक. For
कुछ
2
किया
hours.
नहीं ना.
But तभी complained किया. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Well played. 2 boundaries already. Sehwag is hitting the ball left, right, and center. So anyway, back to so you met these guys and they're influencing you slightly. Ki this world exists and maybe you should be part of it.
Yeah, and then they introduced me to the concept of casting, which is very similar to HR, hiring and
I didn't think of
firing.
that. It's perfect. You're right.
Yeah, so they said
Firing इतना तो नहीं है. Well, not hiring.
Yeah,
Semi-hiring.
yeah,
and not
when
hiring.
the rejection
Why don't you guys
happens.
ever call and tell us you're not hired? All the
Most
time we
don't
get
know.
calls for auditions and all, but nobody ever calls back. Calls back only if they were hired.
not necessarily. Things are
You
changing.
call back, you call
Yes,
people
my
back, you give them the
team-
respect to say, boss,
Yes,
you're not
yes,
good enough.
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
So
Not
sweet.
good enough, nahi. We also
बोलने का be straight. What is there? He didn't like you.
no, you don't like to hear negative things about any. I mean, why would you want
I've
to
been
tell?
married 23 years. You can't hurt me.
See, marriage is something else. It's behind closed doors.
किसने cast किया marriage? Who's the casting director there? I want to know.
That's Rab ne bana di jodi.
You think one day?
See, I'm a die-hard
Romantic.
Yeah. Yash Raj person.
Wow.
I'm a
Fair.
Yash Raj girl. So I would say Rab
I
ne
think
bana
people
di.
lie. Everybody has a Yashraj side to them.
Absolutely.
Male and female. The
Dil
most
to
alpha
pagal
male.
hai.
So I think this is wrong when people think that everyone has these different sides. So whatever they say. Back to the story. So they said casting. You'll be good for casting. HR, parallel.
Yeah, and
beautiful.
you know what would happen is they would share their scripts and I would come back, listen, I watched this play at Prithvi and this guy was amazing. Why didn't you? And they would look at me like, listen, what you're doing? You're casting for us. I said, what's casting? And that's where I got to know that there is a department called casting. In fact, they
But did any of those amateur suggestions work? Did you say कि ex actor Prithvi में जो देखा?
I don't know. I never followed up.
But did they then call that guy up?
I'm sure they did. In fact, all of these friends used to take me very seriously. They would ask their assistants to that.
So you were already casting. It's just not professional.
Yes.
Like no money involved. But
Yes.
you were actually casting and they were taking the suggestions seriously.
They would, yeah.
And calling those guys.
Yeah.
Or checking out the play, etc.
At least checking out
Huh.
whether it had some authenticity to it.
Correct.
And that's when they told me that, there's something called casting cell in YRF.
Okay.
Sameer told me about it and he said, why don't you go and apply? Next thing I know is I contacted Shanu Sharma. She was heading the department. It's a casting director and I walked into her.
You know, when you said her name, your voice became soft. Like how when people Bhagwan ka name leta, sometimes you just that respect is
उसका
there.
नाम ही काफी है.
Acha. Now you're talking in riddles, I have to understand. is it sarcasm or is it love?
Listen, you are reading too much.
No,
I did
no,
not
no,
say
I'm
anything.
overthinking,
You're
I'm
putting
overthinking.
me in a spot.
Anyway, so you met her.
I met her and she thought I wanted to
And you're a
act.
girl, you're a MBA from Lady Shri Ram College with corporate background.
Yeah, and she thought I was just having fun. I actually wanted to be an actor and I was taking that route. मैं तुमको assist करूँ.
Has anyone ever done that?
A lot of people.
Casting?
Of course.
The-
Bhumi.
Huh?
Almost actors.
Bhumi was a casting director.
Yeah.
Pednekar.
Yeah.
She went from casting to acting.
Yeah.
She cast herself. How arrogant. I'll go with this one. ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये ठीक है role के लिए. That's like rude, man. And there are 10 girls in the room, all learning the lines and all.
I'm not part of this.
Bhumi, superb. Let's get Bhumi on. Yeah.
So Bhumi came in place of me.
Really?
So when I moved out of YRF
Oh,
is when Bhumi started to assist Shanu.
very interesting story. Huh.
Yeah.
So anyway, so you got the job there and
Yeah.
you started casting.
Yeah, for a year. I never went to a film school. So my
But
learning
you
was...
went to a film school. Your film school was the Dunya Films.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah.
The passion cannot be recreated. People who are passionate don't need to go to any formal schools. This is what I feel.
I agree.
For the subject.
I totally
Yeah.
agree to that. In fact, there's no casting school even. There's no casting department or a casting syllabus even now. And I feel such an important department.
Look, correct me if I'm wrong, but there are two things in this. No? When you're casting, you're also marrying. Literally, we were discussing off camera about, arranged marriages now. You're trying to get the actor who fits the part in the budget because there's commerce involved also at the end of the day. And you're trying to otherwise find an actor who no one has seen before, which is scouting.
Scouting.
which is another art altogether, because
Yeah.
you've got to keep your eye, like wide lens
Yeah.
across north, south, east, west India. Now everything is a
Yeah.
possibility.
Yeah. It's also very intuitive.
Yeah. And you have to retain na कि मैंने उसको देखा.
You have to have a photographic
memory that you can retain
Yeah,
that X person from there will fit here 6 months later.
Yeah. Yeah. So many times I meet up with people and I'm like,
You write down names and all. You have a file.
yeah, we have a database.
No,
Full
but
on
even a
data.
small play you watch or whatever, you keep down.
So we have a team. I
Yeah.
have a team, and all they do is every month look for a
New
pool
faces.
of
Oh.
talent which is out there. Either it's in theatre, ads, OTT, everything, and their job is to
News panelists.
news panelists, everything,
Fantastic talent.
everywhere,
Some of the best
social
acting.
media, Instagram. So they have to. Their job is nothing but to find such talent, and whenever we are sitting, they show interesting faces. They throw in
You're
names.
immediately ready with the suggestion,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. Also, they keep me updated. That,
Okay.
ma'am, this is something exciting you must watch.
So you have them. It's very similar to cricket. Cricket scouting now has become so big that you got the main person, say yourself, and then your satellites are running all across the Mumbai Maidans, Delhi Maidans, finding all kinds of games and retaining some like log of who is who, and then putting together ki this guy is good for
Yeah.
this guy is good for that. So it's
Yeah,
the same
so we
thing.
have a database, complete database, and it's not limited only to Mumbai.
Yeah.
Post-COVID, things have opened up for us.
So there's Navi Mumbai, Trombay.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
there's so many options.
Yeah,
If you can't bear the conversation, put your hand up and we'll call for
Then
somebody.
we'll have Thane.
Thane mat ja. That's a world on its own.
नहीं पर हमको we have to go as casting directors. We go.
You're very secular geographically.
Yeah,
You
and
can't-
we are like कानून. हमारे हाथ लंबे हैं.
Taha Shah, where did you get fined, for example?
So Taha has been in the industry for a
Yeah,
very
yeah.
long time,
Yeah.
and he would keep calling me up and keep.
So that's also one of the things that you have to deal with, right? That people going on trying to push a little bit and find out whether
No,
there's
so
a
if you,
chance.
I
mean
have
this
to
in a
deal,
good way.
I have to deal with a lot of things. Like even if on a social media I put a picture of myself or on my WhatsApp, and I'll get early morning. I'll start getting comments from actors. No, madam, ये photo आप पे अच्छा नहीं है. Change कर दो. So I have to deal with a
Who's
lot of
casting
things.
who? Yeah.
And mornings they send their pictures every morning. Ma'am, red shirt better, blue, green.
Wow. You're like a doctor. I'm just thinking of my doctor friends. You know, everybody keeps asking them, boss, ye peet mein dard hai. You just take the advantage of the doctor.
Yeah.
Let's be honest, everybody does it. Huh? Straight away you ask the doctor your personal issue, ya tera baap ka jo issue hai. And they have to answer because it just looks bad. So you must be getting that all the time. People just
Yeah.
coming to you and saying,
Good
can you-
morning, madam.
मैं भी एक्टर हूँ हाँ मैंने जबलपुर का
And
एक
then they get
अकेडमी
very
में
offended if you don't reply to the blue is not looking good on you today. Ma'am, I have been messaging you since last.
But is he flirting with you?
No.
He's correcting you. He's suggesting. What is the point?
It's just that they want to reach out.
They want
and
just
they-
a connection so that you
Yeah.
can stay in touch.
Yeah, they don't realize that I get so many messages a day, and it's
Yeah.
impossible, humanly impossible for me to stay in touch or reply to every message. So yeah, so I, as a casting director, it might look very glamorous and easy, but it's not.
I have an answer for you. There's a gentleman called the Raku Kazam Insta. He's my favorite person on. Please check him out. Check out the Raku Kazam. Just he has small videos. He's a guy from Assam. Lovely guy. His famous song is "I am just a driver. You are a dancer. Teacher. You are a teacher." You have to just make sure that he is available. And he can answer everybody because he's unbelievable. Trust me, I'm not making fun. Once you watch Raku Kazam, your life changes.
Achha, this is going to be
Bollywood
life-changing
needs
moment
to,
for me.
in the words of Arnab Goswami, India's greatest human being, Bollywood needs to know about Raku Kazam. This is my gift to you.
Thank you.
What you do with it, I mean,
You're helping me.
to the top. I mean, I believe people like Sanjay Leela Bansali, who's one person, despite three names, will call up Raku Kazam and beg him to come.
Which are the other three names?
Sanjay Leela and Bansali. Shankar, Ehsan and Loy, Amar, Akbar, Anthony. I'm raised from the 80s, 90s. I know all this. I have
But
the
Shankar,
information.
Ishan, Loy are three individuals.
I know. Sadly, they are breaking the mold.
Wow.
Huh. But sometimes they hold hands at parties, so people get confused.
And they feel lost.
She's
They
not even
want-
smiling.
And
It's like my wife only. There's just no effect.
I had seen one of her videos with you where she said that you are the best thing about you is that you crack a joke and you're able to laugh on it.
And you know what the point of that video was? Where she said, I'll finally say something good about you because she spent 1 hour on our podcast not saying anything good. And this is what the good point was. That when you say something funny, you yourself laugh. What's good in that? Why are you bringing up this issue? Let's get back to your career and life, which is much more
Very
interesting.
important. These are also life skills.
Yeah, we can't escape. I have to go back. Every time driving back, left, no? Go back, same lane. Lots of people understand. You have a chance as you reach home every day to take the right or the left, and one day you take the. You did that in your career. You literally just didn't go back one day. You just literally didn't go back and took 3 years, whatever. But look at. Now you're happy, right? In this space.
I look happy.
You seemed happy till you started talking to me.
You mean I look happier now?
Yeah. Nice. Third boundary. Keep scorer. Please write down. Huh?
What do I get? A hamper post this?
Look at our budgets here. I don't have pants. What are we going to do?
I just thought it's going to be coffee with Cyrus.
The ultimate casting director.
Yeah.
No pun intended.
Yeah, so I just thought that it's going to be, and by the end of it, it's like after the boundaries, you go like, hey, you deserve this hamper.
Okay, you take whatever you want. You can take 2 employees also. And let them work
I
in
know.
your
I just
saaf safai
knew
ke
that
liye
was
ghar pe
coming.
lena.
I knew that was coming. When the minute he looked
Which
that
two
side,
you
I was like,
want?
mujhe pata hai.
See, the engineer has the least interest in our show. Look at him. He's playing some game on his phone. That fellow at the back, the 8-year-old we have employed to do sound.
The well-dressed guy.
The well-dressed guy. He wants to be an actor. But you know that by now.
All of us. We all are
Who
actors.
doesn't want to be an actor? Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to be an actor here? I don't know. You can't see what I can see. It's like animals in a zoo. It's not fun. Let's get back to our story. We have to take a break. We'll take a quick break. We'll now discuss all the films that you've done, which I should have, spent half an hour doing. But you had to tell me your life story, so we had to go all the way back and then come all the way forward. When we come back, she's on her own. She's left Yash Raj Films.
Yeah, a year's commitment.
Yeah, and now it's your own company, right?
I was jobless again.
Okay, then stay there. We'll take a break. She's jobless.
Hello. It's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On A Century of Stories, Kunal tells the story of the legendary music composer R.D. Burman. He introduced Bollywood to the sounds of disco, funk, jazz, and rock and roll, in the process creating a unique sound all his own. On The Habit Coach, Ashton is joined by acclaimed healthcare professional Dr. Marcus Rani. They talk about the importance of sleep, the role of micronutrients in our diet, and how small changes in our daily routine can prevent serious health issues. If you like our shows, do spread the word. Please tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Also, do remember all of our shows are also available on YouTube. Do look for their channels and you should be able to enjoy watching along with listening. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors this week, IDST First Bank and Grab. Thank you for making this possible.
Okay, we're back. After the break, we're back already because you just started talking, so I didn't want to stop you. But so you said you were jobless. And is there a reason why you quit?
My brother was getting married.
What was the leave issue?
I wanted 1 month of chilling. So
But
I think the chilling bit comes in my life.
Baba, this doesn't make sense. Yeah. Yash Raj Films ke paas itne shaadi, to the sets are left, right and center. All you have to do is call your bhai, get the bride and just move in with a few guests and you can,
But remember, I am also a Sanjay Leela Bansali casting director. So the grandeur, वो जो दिमाग में है ना फितूर, वो बहुत पहले से
You've
था.
taken panga here. I have not said anything bad about anyone, but yeah, you have clearly your
so
favoritism here.
No, so I said, I'm a YRF girl.
Yeah.
I believe in love stories.
Yeah.
Dil to pagal hai.
Well played. This is now one of those reverse scoops for 6. I didn't see that coming. She's turned it around to make them all happy. Well done. Well, you're a diplomat first
I
and a
told you
casting
I'm a
director
people's
second.
person.
You are a people's person. I would like to say about Sanjay Leela Bansali. I've done one event with him. He's hilarious. I don't know what he's like on the set, but when you do an event with him, he's a very funny man. Very sarcastic and funny and in a nice way.
Yeah.
Had a
He's
great time.
funny. He's
Yeah.
really funny and
Yeah.
he's witty.
Yeah, he is.
Extremely witty, and he loves to be entertained. He likes people who are funny or who are easygoing, and I think that's what he tries to get. The team is all about youth and fun-loving people.
I'm upset with this youth thing. Everything is youth. I think
It's all in the head.
we should remove the youth.
No,
Imagine how lovely India would be if all the under 30s we send away for 5 years. Wow, be so great. Except I don't like old people who take long to walk. So both sides are not happy. I don't like young people. I don't like old people who are slow like turtles. I just went to a function the other day and just kind of go into a room and everybody's like, they take so long, they block the door and they suddenly talk and say, huh? Kuch loge? And I mean, like, what the hell? I mean.
But it's all in the mind.
It is in the mind, yeah. I think ADHD is a very bad thing if you have it. Very difficult to cope in society. But this is your story, not mine. I'll get back to your story. So, Bhai is getting married. You decide you need some time off for whatever reason. I think that the artist in you is also like, ho gaya. I need something new.
Yeah.
And off you go. Then what
so
happens?
1 month of sabbatical again.
वो तो 3 साल. ये तो 1 महीना.
ये 1 महीना हो गया.
This is like a weekend.
Yeah, so I knew that 1 month I have to be back in Jaipur. I came back to Bombay. I had no job. I started to.
But you made a name by now.
No. So as a casting.
Yashra is the biggest.
But it's Shanu.
But
right?
people
I'm
know.
assisting her.
They.
Who just. Nobody knows an assistant until unless you make a mark or.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
You
damn
only
good.
know
This is
your-
how I'll keep people down in IVM.
No, so but what. And the idea was not to make a name. The idea was to learn. When I joined Shanu, I was very clear that I wanted to learn about casting. I wanted to be there and understand what shot taking is, what script reading is.
Oh.
I had nothing. I had no idea at all. I didn't
The
understand.
intricacies of filmmaking.
Yeah, the filmmaking. It is a technique.
Mm-hmm.
There is a formula,
Yeah.
and that formula only you can be intuitive and instinctive once you get the formula correct.
Yeah, the science in the art.
Science.
Huh.
So you can have, but you need to have method.
So in a way, you use Yash Raj films to your benefit. You learned the science, and then you said, "I don't need these people." You outgrew them and said, "Now,
No, it was not.
36 Chamber of Shaolin आ गया.
नहीं, मैंने 1 साल का commitment दिया था. मैंने वो पूरा fulfill
Why are you
किया.
answering? I'm just teasing. You know that.
नहीं,
You don't have to defend yourself.
No, but I'm telling you, because I want people when they take up casting, it's very important for these kids to know that it's not all fun. You're not there only to the glamour bit. Most people join casting department because they find it too glamorous. They're like, oh, or they want to become actors. They don't understand that there is a method, and that method only helps you to achieve your dreams.
So if you cast somebody and that guy's just, character actor is done really well, do you get the credit? Because everybody will know the actor and we'll talk about that performance and internet pay and publicity
So
and all
now
that.
people know there's something called casting
But
director.
does it go back to you? So
Yeah,
people say,
yeah.
she was able to see that this guy is
Yeah.
right for the role. And
Yeah. Now I think now people are aware of casting. It's not 12, 13 years back. No, everybody thought director does everything. Also, directors are more open about
to
it.
Using
Yeah,
the
and
channels.
they talk about it. They want people to be aware, and they also feel that it's a lot of hard work. So credit should be given to them. Also, we take a lot of burden off them, rather than actors knocking on their door, troubling them, and taking away from the creative
Some
side.
actors are so enthusiastic, they knock on the door and say, couch kahan hai? I mean, themselves. खुद बोलते हैं. The
मेरे
guy,
साथ ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ.
nahi, I hope not. I mean, I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
But also, you always think of the guy in the casting couch as an old man who's really very, creepy. If it's anything else, it kills the whole movement, yaar. It should be in a dark room. There's one guy with one eye, and this young girl comes with stars in her eyes, says, "Audition यहाँ पे है," and he goes, "Hey, sister, बैठ जाओ. I'm sorry, let जाओ." Same demands it, and then you know how it is, yeah, guys.
No.
No. I'm sorry. My films are very different, it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 month
Thank
break.
God. I'm not your casting director.
Not yet. Depends. If I have the budget, we will call you. So you're back and you have no job. You said you're jobless. And then how do you...
So one fine day,
Restart.
17th or 16th of January, I get a call from...
Why do you remember the date? Is it...
Yeah, I'll let you know why the date. So 16th or 17th of January, I get a call on my mobile. There's this guy who says, "Hello, is that Shruti Mahajan?" I said, "Yes, I'm Shruti Mahajan here." He's like, "I'm calling from Mr. Bansali's office,
Oh.
and we are looking for a new casting director." And I thought my friends know that I've got back from Jaipur and I'm now looking for work. So I'm one of those bakras that's happening. Huh? I'm like, yeah. And like me being me, I said, "Oh yeah, I'm Madhuri Dixit. I would want
You
to
thought
be
it was like
cast."
a bakra.
Huh? Sorry?
You said this. You said Madhuri Dixit.
Huh? I actually said that on the phone. Yeah, I'm Madhuri Dixit. I would love to be the next heroine in his movie. And Aditya thought that I'm a whacked out person. So he hung up. He's like, no, are you like not Shruti Mahajan? I say, yeah, come on, yeah, I'm Shruti Mahajan, stop it. And he hung up. He's like, this is a bad woman. Then he again called back. He's like, he thought maybe he's dialed a wrong number. He again called back.
Did he ask, is it Madhuri Dixit this time?
So he's like, is this Shruti Mahajan? I'm Aditya Narayan calling. The minute he said Aditya Narayan calling from Bansali Productions, I was like, are you serious? He's like, yes. I said, you're joking. He's like, no, I'm not. I said, I'm so sorry. And I, of course, told him, listen, I thought my friends are making a bakra out of me. And he being Aditya, he's like, I know, I understand. It happens. Okay, no problem, blah, blah, blah. I said, but I want to verify, can you share the number with me?
Wow.
Yeah. I had
That's
to
a
do
bit.
it. So Aditya is quite a cool guy. He immediately
It's insulting for him. Like, you don't believe who I am. Like, some males can take it badly.
No. Luckily, I mean, I think he understood that, you know,
That creeps both, Bollywood mein. So
more
better
than that,
check.
he understood that, you know, maybe I did sound very genuine to him. So immediately he sent me a number. He said, this is our office number. Why don't you call back? So I called up and they picked up and they're like, hello, Bansali office. Arey, to sahi hai. I immediately called back Aditya and I'm like, listen, hey, I'm very sorry. You understand where I'm coming from. He's like, yeah, I totally get it. I experience it very often. So he said, why we would like to invite you. I mean, why don't you come to our office one day? Mr. Bansali would like to meet up. He's starting his new film. I was like, but how did you get my number? What? He's like, listen, this number has just come to me and they asked me to call you. I'm like, acha, theek hai.
But how did it come to him? Because of Yash Raj films?
Yeah, Yash Raj, there were people who spoke about me and he got to know that there is a...
So you have to find out who that person is who pushed you. That's the person who changed your karma in a sense and should be given 10%.
So that's what I said, that working at YRF, it was, when you say you made a name, I think I made a mark.
In the peer circle, you made a mark.
Yeah, I made a mark. If not the name, it's the mark that people thought that was worth taking my name to a director.
Try her out, yeah.
Try her out with Mr. Bansali. Right?
Why do you always have to say Mr. Bansali? He's not here. You can't say first name.
I can.
तो बोलो ना.
पर मेरे को इसी आदत हो गया ना, मतलब अब now you are Cyrus for me. अब I can't say Mr.
I am Mr. Bansali myself. That's how I go.
So you over a period of time you have associations. For me, Prakash G is never Mr. Jha. It's Prakash G.
Okay. It's Prakash J. Angrezi mein, but anyway.
But I call him
J for
Prakash
Jha.
G.
Huh.
Yeah, Prakash
Jha G.
Yeah.
It should be JG. So it should be PJG. Or
So
Prakash Jha G.
so he's PJ.
He's PJ?
Yeah.
That's me. Again.
You.
Sorry. I think your assistant is going berserk there. He's very upset. He's like, why are we here? Does this man have anything to say?
He enjoys humor.
Then he's in the wrong place. So, somebody
Back to us.
Yeah, back to us. So somebody recommended you. I'm just trying to. I love these stories. I'd like to see if there's a way to find the chain of events that happened that led you to Aditya Narayan, led you to Bansali Productions.
Yeah, so the next thing I know, it was 19 Jan. And I was made to meet Mr. Bansali in his office. The reason why I was mentioning or focusing on the dates was because it happened to be my birthday.
Which one is?
19 Jan.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so it was quite memorable for me to be meeting him in person. I'd grown up watching
You
films.
could say that's a lucky, auspicious date in the sense your birthday, you meet.
More than that, it was very memorable.
Did you tell him it's your birthday?
No, I didn't.
Ah.
I didn't. I mean,
Then
I was so
very hard for him not to have that, because you're emotional as Indians.
नहीं, and
उसके बाद वो तो birthday पे आई थी. I can't say no to her now.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा प्रेशर नहीं देना था. मुझे अपनी मेरिट पे काम
Take
चाहिए.
whatever chance you get in life. Don't have this arrogance. What is this
मिल
nonsense?
गया ना, काम तो मिल ही गया.
वो तो हो गया, but-
So I walked into the office and I met him and he interviewed me for 5 to 10 minutes. Next thing I know is he's like, I met a couple of new talented casting directors, assistants who are looking at being casting directors. Why should I hire you?
Wow.
I mean, very sweetly he said, very sweetly, very nicely he said, why do you think
You're right for the job.
you're
or
right for
whatever.
the job? The HR in me.
Huh.
And obviously I
You've had this question in various forms.
various forms.
Huh.
So I gave a very honest, sincere answer, and he went into the room and he came back and he's like, this is the script and I want you to start working for me. And that was my moment. I mean, that was my birthday gift.
Yeah. rebirth in a sense on Jan 19th. Rebirth. You took a break, you came back, but you struck out on your own.
Yeah.
So in a sense, you become an entrepreneur also. In
Yeah,
a
I
sense,
became
because-
an entrepreneur.
Yeah, if I say in a sense, you can ask me to shoot myself. 5 बार बोला एक sentence में. It's a world record. In any language, you can go to Telugu, you can go to Sanskrit, world record. So then that was the first association, and then lots of films obviously after that.
And simultaneously, Mr. Jha also called me in a day or two. He was looking
Because of the association with Bansali Productions, word it got around?
No, so he was looking for a fresh talent, and he got to know that I've got into casting, and I've branched out on my own.
Mm-hmm.
So I got a call from his office as well that why don't you come and meet up with Mr. Jha? Mr. Jha.
Mr. Jha, no, it's fine, it's fine. You have to work in the industry. I, on the other hand, have to clean cars. So I can call them I can call Sanjay Leela Bansali Prakash. You know, it doesn't really matter. It all depends on your association. Huh.
Listen, you're also an actor, na?
Who?
You?
At this point, I'm more like a chief guest. You know, I come for the function and
Feeta cutting.
oh, sab, chota sa speech.
Events.
You know, friends. Once you begin with friends, you're fine. You know, that's kind of one of those speeches, short ones.
Right. So then I met up with Mr.
She's
Jha.
not impressed. Sorry. So you met Prakash. So in about 48 hours, your life has changed and you're in demand.
Over a period of 15-20 days.
Huh.
So I got both the films. He was casting for a film called Chakravyuh then, and he wanted a new girl for the Naxalites part. And so parallelly I was working on 2 films at a given point of time.
Is that allowed? Technically? That's okay, right?
It's a choice. There are people. It's a casting
It's
company.
not exactly competitive also.
No. As a casting
And very
director,
two different films by huge
as a
margin.
casting director, you're supposed to be working on multiple projects.
True.
It's just that I have taken a conscientious decision to be a boutique casting director.
Now, I was thinking all these alpha directors who are out there, they want to keep the people to themselves also in a sense. That's also part of the thing. So they may not want you to work with somebody else.
No.
Oh.
I'm not on their payrolls, right? I'm not part of the company. I'm a freelancer. So
Would you like to use this opportunity to tell them you'd like to be part of the payroll?
no, not at all. I love the fact that I'm a freelancer.
No.
I get it.
Okay, fair. So then there's so many movies to talk about. We'll run out of time. I'm trying to get in a couple of important questions. One which my crew also wants to know is that you are the first person to cast the trans actor or person in a trans role. Please, I may be
Yeah.
wrong in the words, so correct my words. Which is in
Akira. There was
Akira
a film.
and also Bombay Begums.
So it was not first, but one of those few.
I mean, Amitabh in Lavaris also, I mean, in a sense, you know, playing the, I won't, you know, Mere Angane Mein and all that. I mean, I don't know how to classify it, but this is the first sort of
Yes.
full length. Huh.
Yeah. So.
See how scared we are
2000
saying these words. I'm very scared.
So 2013 is when I was to cast for a film called Akira by A.R. Murgudos. And while in our casting discussions, jamming sessions, he was very clear that this particular role he wanted to have a transgender actor and not a actor playing a transgender.
So a person from the trans community is who's an actor.
Yes.
This was the first time, I think, in a big film,
In a big film.
a
Yes.
break like that happened to a member of that community.
Yes.
Fair to say?
Yes.
So how did you find, I mean,
Scouting, getting in touch with the community, and they're very, very forthcoming in that sense. So, of course, things were not so open like how things are now. For Bombay Begum, things were much easier for me. I did not have to struggle so much. But for Akira, that point of time in 2013, things were still under the wraps. They were not very sure whether their coming on big screen would be accepted. And would this and not many roles were made for them. They were created for them.
well, that's true, but being an actor, isn't it like, I mean, do you have to be also, I mean, we could play another country, nationality, we can play another gender, we can, I mean, isn't that also part of acting?
It is, but to accept a community as they are, it's a lot of as filmmakers, it's part of our job, because we have to we send message across to the society. So I think to also let them be a part and to be accepted, I think that plays a very, very important role.
So previously there was, I can't think of it, but if there was a role.
Also, it used to become very more like a comedy.
Yeah. It becomes a parody after some time because the male is
Yeah.
playing transgender or whatever.
Yeah. And why not? Why not have them to play what
more authentic portrayal.
Yeah, it becomes more authentic, genuine. Also, acceptance, I think, is the most important thing.
Like for my biopic, who do you think I should pick?
You yourself.
I'm dead. I want to make it after I die. So I don't like being alive in the biopic because how can you go for your own screening here, made a picture? I mean, it's too much. So I'm dead. Who should play the part? Who do you suggest?
Once you hire me, I'll give you.
I was looking
options.
at Rajpal Yadav. Why are you laughing? He's a lovely actor.
He's lovely. I love him.
Then why are you laughing?
But उसको
I'm most offended.
उसको English का problem है,
अरे
आपको
English को
हिंदी
जाने
का
दो, we'll dub it
problem
later
है.
यार. Now AI is there. Come on, these are not problems for me.
You have to have the right person for the right role.
It is between Rajpal Yadav and Brad Pitt if he's alive. I can't decide which one.
Now you're talking. Yeah, I would. That is what I was wondering.
If they had a child, Brad Yadav, perfect.
Bas, done.
Ho gaya? Casting director king already. Okay, one last thing before we have
And
to
who
go.
would want you to? Who would you want to direct your film? Is my question.
That's a,
Which director? Which Bansali?
no,
Jha?
I like action directors more. I mean, I like Sanjay Leela Bhansali as a person, but there's too much color and all for me. That's more my wife's style of movie making. I've seen a lot of French films thanks to my wife. I mentioned to people who watch our podcast, and
But
I hate France now.
imagine Cyrus well dressed.
At the funeral, they put you in a full thing and get
So
rid of
only
you.
a Mr. Bansali can do that. Just
That's true. And if the foreground is ugly, he makes the background good. So that's one perfect thing for my film, right? Yeah, fair. Sanjay Leela Bhansali,
And
you've
everybody's
convinced
gonna
me.
watch your. Everybody's gonna watch your film.
And I'll take off my towel also, like in Savaria. Because I'm always wearing a towel at
But
home.
you are dead. You are
हाँ, वो भी है,
forgetting.
वो भी है.
You don't get this to do.
You don't think a dead nude scene will work as something new in cinema? Taking it forward? Nahin.
We'll have to work on this
I think we have to open our minds.
cinematically.
Yeah, we have to be a little more open. That's why Sanjay Leela Bhansali is the right guy.
See,
Because
yeah.
he's not shut in the mind ever. He's ready to explore.
Yeah.
Good. It's a good point. One last thing. What is this thing with influencers? Nowadays, you also... Goomer you've done, right?
Yeah.
One of the lead actors of Goomer is a guy called Abbas Momin. Why are you laughing, Jen? Don't laugh. He plays the role of the bartender with Abhishek Bachchan in the... Two scenes are there in a bar or whatever, nightclub. And he's the bartender. He's a big guy, bald. He works with us. And he has only one line of dialogue. I don't even know. He offers a drink or something, just one line.
Okay.
But it was fantastic.
See?
Did you cast him?
So everybody, all the talkies are cast by me.
So you cast Abbas, but he left no impression. They don't remember who he is. एक line तो है उसके पास, right? Am I right?
Line
it's
है?
one line, two lines maybe also. No? I think there's a reply by Abhishek. 2 lines, no? Then he says something like, but his lines are very small, like a Hanji or something.
तो हाँ
What is the
जी,
line? What is the line?
ये ड्रिंक पे दूसरा ड्रिंक फ्री
हाँ, एक drink पे दूसरा drink free. That's a proper line. And what a line. It's like Premchand has written the line. एक drink पे दूसरा drink free. And he said it 3 times, even though they told him it's okay. Abbas. Oh, that guy cowed footage on 15 podcasts. After that, he mentioned it, yaar. Please don't hire him again. Really. So all these guys you have hired in say Ghumar, because there are lots of background actors, cricketers, etc., etc.
so all the talkies are cast by me.
Okay.
So that in a film or a series, everything that's talking, but एक word, दो word नहीं, because also budgets we have to keep in mind.
Right. No, it's a proper scene. We're being mean to him. It's a proper scene where he interacts with 2-3 times. They're interacting about the drink only. It is the whole thing.
Yeah, and also because it's with an actor and you need acting skills.
Yeah.
So then most production houses
I think
want
that particular
them to
day that was not the issue. They just wanted to finish the shot.
Okay.
Abhishek had
So
to
because
leave.
they had to finish a shot on time, then they prefer having an actor.
Yeah. Now you're just being nice. Because nobody has ever called him that. We difficultly call him a man. But he's a lovely guy.
He
one more
happens
thing.
to be a friend.
He works here. He's also a stand-up comedian.
Acha.
Yeah, who eats a lot. Yeah, for some reason. I don't know why I mentioned that, unless body shaming. Last thing on the influencers before I do the MAs. So this habit is there that people are casting influencers or looking at their Insta profile and numbers, etc., and then giving them roles. This is not something you would do.
No, why would I do that? As a casting director, your job is to get the right person for the right job.
Okay. You're just looking at the fit. You're not looking
Yeah.
at who that
What is
person
right
is
for
in
the-
terms of
yeah,
career, where his career or her career is at that point.
No, everybody has to go through a process, and the process is audition. If you crack it in your audition,
So that casting director is the one who controls that audition, or is the director also involved at that process in the thing?
No, so the audition, the first few rounds are with the casting director. Only once a director feels the need, then we have
A final.
the final and a look test.
But generally, whoever you're nudging, that's the person who gets it.
We don't nudge. We
That's matlab you'll be saying ki Mr. Bansali, this
we
Abbas
take
is right for the role.
Yeah, we take 4 to 5 options, and then the director sits and thinks and figures out.
Does the actor ever pay you money under the table and say, boss, मेरे को कुछ करो setting?
हाँ होता है.
Okay. The table is too small.
हाँ तो वो टेबल छोटा पड़ जाता है.
Unless when you take coins, chiller, that's all we have here. All right, very interesting, very fascinating. Wish we could talk a little bit more about the whole casting process, because it's a whole separate world actually in a sense. And you must be getting a lot of people, friends and family also, as you became more and more famous in big movies that you've done. They must be also trying to call you up and put pressure sometimes. कि ये मेरा भतीजा है, ये मेरा ये है वो है.
Yeah, so every.
How do you handle that? Because you
No, but by now they all know that what they say is that could you just look into it?
Huh.
To look into it, how we look into every other actor, my team looks into it, and that's it.
So you just
it's very fair. It has
You
to
don't
be
ignore
a
them.
Yeah, we don't ignore anybody. Whoever walks into our office, or whoever sends an email.
Be careful what you say, huh?
Yeah. So
Have you been to Lokanwala? All the cafes there are people looking for work.
no, but I said whoever walks into our office.
But it's in Lokanwala, no?
No.
Where is it? No, she won't tell us where. She's worried. You don't know all this riffraff coming in. Yeah.
So no, people walk into our office and there is a assigned team. They take care of it. They have, every day there is data that comes to us on emails or on social media, and they're handling it. They try and sort it out. It's again a process, and that process happens each and every day. So complete fairness, and we try to be as honest as possible.
Also, it's a bit of a lottery. I'm thinking your point of view is कि कोई भी आएगा, but in case 1 in a million chance that the next Amitabh Bachchan walked in, you make sure that you sort of give them a chance.
We want to give chance to everyone. Because you have to understand that's my job, and if I get an Amitabh Bachchan to the industry, I get the credit.
Of course.
So we are working for that. Like
Fair
a Taha Shah happened. So you asked me about Taha.
Yeah.
Ultimately, he's been in the industry for so long. But
You
that
know-
one little opportunity, he had come for a secondary, for one of the supporting cast audition. And that audition went very well for him. And his perseverance, I feel, he was so at it. That little audition that went to Mr. Bansali, and Mr. Bansali saw a spark in that boy.
Yeah.
He said, why don't we audition him for Tajdar? The next thing we knew was, after multiple rounds.
But even the language there is a little, Urdu is old Urdu or whatever. It's not easy. So did you have them speak?
Coach.
No, that's later on, but I'm saying when you do audition, how do you know they can do all that? Because the dialect sounded a little difficult on the ear anyway.
So initially you don't focus on the dialect. You focus on dialogue delivery,
Right.
just getting it right.
Like Zomato. Delivery is everything. We're looking for sponsors.
I was just asking, is that your sponsor?
For me, it's like the audition process. We keep trying till we finally hit pay dirt, and so, Tata and Sons say,
making
okay.
money.
It'll
Big
happen.
budget.
हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. I keep that as my motto since I was a 1-year-old trying to go taller. My dad was 6 foot. I never grew taller. Was he my dad? Just kidding. Lovely man. All right. Can we go to the AMAs? These are people writing in. I hope it's not any people asking for jobs and all, huh? Because poor thing must be having to sit through that. I can imagine every party, event, social gathering, jokers will come and just get to you.
In one of the interviews, Taha went around saying that I kept calling up Shruti Mahajan multiple times.
Oops.
And तो उसके बाद now everybody keeps calling my assistant and they're like, हम रोज फोन करेंगे मैडम को, हम रोज तुमको फोन
That's
करेंगे.
the worst ad because he's successful after that. So they're saying, वही है तरीका. Just follow exactly, cut to cut what he's saying, exactly that. Every day call her 10 times, 16 years later you'll get the job. That's a terrible. Taha, not good. Yeah. So Bruce Wayne, also known as the Batman, says, I find the what-ifs of casting decisions very interesting. Achha. Please tell us some anecdotes about actors or actresses who passed on blockbusters. Oh, that way. Or who got to act in blockbusters through sheer chance or because no one wanted the part. The what if, when they have rejected or not taken and somebody else takes it, that becomes a huge hit. and the original actor who was cast, you know, what's your take on that?
It happens, but then so many times, even as a casting director, I think that, you know, I wish I had taken that actor. When you critically sit down and watch your own
Even
work.
after release?
Even after release. There are times that...
Even if the guy is appreciated, the second guy.
No. I mean, appreciated...
No, I'm just asking. I don't know. Maybe you still think that choice was better. I don't know. It's not just about success.
Yeah, but we all make decisions in life where we felt ki maybe the other person was better. We all
For the role,
for the role, but that's
Do they ever call you up and say, yeah, kash agar maine, you know, that?
आता है. We get
Can you
this
name two
No.
examples? And कितना पैसा की नुकसान हुआ इसमें?
नहीं. You are going to make money out of this show, not me.
But this is the kind of gossip people love. That's why you have it on the internet. People like gossip only.
No, I don't encourage gossip.
Does Sanjay Leela Bhansali take conveyance himself? खुद का है? Is it morally right to? I'm just asking. I'm putting the question out there. It's not our decision whether it's morally right or not. It's their production. So, does the producer, he's also the producer, does he get, how does that work?
I don't I'm in the pre-production department.
You're fantastic. You should have been a lawyer. I don't think this is right for you. You're very good at answering questions. Pamela asks, what are the worst things you should not say to the casting director? What are the worst things? What are the things you should not say to the casting director?
When they don't remember their lines and they try to make up for it by saying, I really learnt it well, मैं बहुत सीख के आई थी, it's just a bad day for me today. But you know, the minute they walk in, you know they've not really prepared themselves well.
But I never learn the lines. I always paraphrase. It's very,
to be a successful actor, you should learn your
ज़माना
lines.
चला गया यार. Who's going to read the same old lines?
You're just not getting what I'm saying.
Too much pressure.
Like if you want to be a successful actor, you have to take this seriously.
Fair enough.
And then you have to learn your lines.
There's too many lines here. Plus, I like to change the lines.
So improvising works well if you've learned your lines.
Yeah, true. Well, you sort of know the lines. You know what the point is.
So you can play along.
And then you can improvise.
Yeah, then you can...
Like, I never...
Also, your co-actors start enjoying. So I feel, so that's very important. You have to be prepared well. I feel actors who come in, walk in, and they mess up in an audition because they haven't invested enough. And then they said, you know, it's just a bad day and I did it. You can't fool around. The camera knows everything.
Who's the worst actor you've ever seen? Ever? In an audition, like, where you... Please? No?
They're not, it's just a bad day.
That is there. They didn't prepare. No, I got that. But is there anyone who... The moment he comes the second time, I'm like, boss... Carpentry.
बहुत बार होता है. बहुत बार होता है.
I wish you were there.
No, but we don't.
I wish you would record your real reactions sometimes. जैसे Indian Idol में जिन लोगों के पास talent नहीं है, those are my favorites. I can watch. I don't know why they advance to the advance round. Just stay with those guys. Yeah, they are fantastic.
That's the real talent.
Yeah. So sad. People don't understand entertainment anymore. Filmy bosses, have you ever thought of casting yourself? Have you ever thought of casting yourself in a cameo?
No, why cameo?
Be honest. You're a dancer. You're trained. It's never occurred to you
No.
कि ये role के लिए
नहीं.
fit हो जाएगी?
नहीं. In fact, I told you, Shanu actually thought that I want to be an actor.
That's okay. That because
And
you came in, glamour shammer के साथ आ गया.
काफी बार she told me, why don't you audition for this part? Or
So why didn't you?
A lot of my directors also tell me, why don't you audition? Why don't you?
So why don't you?
Because I only want to do things that make me happy.
So you don't want to be in front of the camera ever?
No.
Because you're so close to it, you must be getting better at the whole acting process because you're watching it all the time.
Watching and being a part of it.
Being a part of it and from all the angles that are involved, the perspectives that are involved. So you never ever thought, give it a try?
No. It doesn't excite me
Really?
at all. It doesn't excite me at all.
Is it a money thing? Or what do they offer you, like crores and
No,
crores?
of course. Why
200
are you
crores.
underpaying me? Why are you thinking that I will not get crores of money
No, I'm
as an
saying
actor?
if you get paid lots of money, maybe you'll do it.
That's not the money thing. It's something that it doesn't excite me. And I know that what I'm not good at, what doesn't excite me is not something I'm going to
Would you do an ad for Citibank?
No. Never. Never.
It's just an ad, yeah. You don't really endorse products, when you do ads. It's just a job.
And after this show, they'll never hire me.
HSBC, I have friends.
competition.
Don't worry. Rajveer says, what's the most creative way an actor has tried to get your attention for a role?
For me, what really works is when you're very courteous with my team. Yeah, I feel when
But that's just PR, no? What is it got to do with the performance and talent and whether he fits the role?
So when they walk into an audition and if they're nice and polite and courteous to my team and their co-actors, that catches my attention.
But has anyone tried something more desperate? Like call you at 4 in the morning, ya ghar ke bahar, made a scene
You
and
have
all that?
stalkers.
Huh. But,
As casting directors, we have stalkers. We have people
so
who
what do you do?
go and complain in the police.
Huh.
After a point.
I was just thinking of doing it, but I didn't know she takes action. Huh.
No, but after a point, if it comes to a point where they're standing outside your house.
And you explained कि सिर्फ लड़की है film में, and still he say I want to act. All female cast, but he's insisting. Huh.
But we are doing multiple projects at a time, na? तो उसको
True.
लगता है इधर नहीं तो उधर.
True. That's also, and then you just, Taha himself gave that example of, basically keep knocking on the door. That's what he basically meant, till the door opens.
Yeah.
But,
And then if somebody is not Aisha on the other side, तो क्या करें?
I don't know, now my mood is gone. I'm more like Ramsey Brothers production from here onwards for me. It's more like dark colors and green blood and all that. Scary. Forget stalkers. It's more like running. Just 2 hours of a guy running in the rain. That's my film.
Yeah.
Yeah, with some sad music in the background. Maybe the young Ravi Shankar. I like the sitar. Okay, that's it. That's all we have time for. Thank you so much. Great fun talking to you. The world of casting, not an easy world, and she's the apex, top of the pyramid. So if you want to be an actor, if you want to be a success, but don't
not
bother
call
her.
her.
In the
Do not follow what Taha has given.
Yeah,
in
do not
his-
follow that. But there's a process
That's a
whenever
process,
there's
yes.
to get in touch and all that through the various internet and digital properties
Yes,
that are
and
out there.
offices and assistants, there is a proper channel.
Yeah.
So follow the proper channel.
Yeah. Wow. Who is the? Is there anybody who has got angry with you at the audition? As we say bye, like an actor is just frustrated and angry and takes it out on the casting director.
No, they get upset with the rejection.
That's what. So
Yeah.
what do they do when they are angry? Have they ever said anything?
Yeah. They
like
can be really nasty.
Gali
And they take it
galoch?
personally. Yes. Initially, yes. Initially, actors would take it very personally. And then that's when I also, over a period of time, it's experience.
So what do you do? It's
You
like a angry child.
Yeah, it's a kid,
Huh.
You've just taken a lollipop away from the kid.
Huh.
So you don't beat up the kid, right?
Yeah.
You just
I mean,
have to be
Depends on the
patient.
zamana.
Okay, so I'm a good mama.
2020.
Yeah.
1920, beating up the kid and eating the lollipop while he watches. Different
You are
times.
sadist.
No.
मैं नहीं हूँ.
People are different.
So just you have to be empathetic and you have to be kind to them, make them understand and give some positivity that listen, you were fantastic at the audition, but this was missing. So why don't you work on this skill? A positive feedback, I think, always works well for them. And actors, actors love themselves.
Yeah. Has
So
Nasir ever auditioned?
No.
Nasir has a temper. I want to see what she does with the lollipop then. If he loses it. What if it's a very well-known actor, like these big names? Do they ever get angry with you?
No, why
Because
would
then
they?
it's more like a selection.
No. Also, there's so much learning for me as a casting director. Also, when I had auditioned Supriya Pathak for Ram Leela, she brought in so much to a scene, which we obviously as it just added to the character, the layers. So it's a give and take, and they are seasoned actors.
Do they ever thank you?
Supriya.
Not now, at the end of the film, or whatever, the series, do they ever come back and say, you were right?
Yes. All of them, most of them, if you see even my recent work, most of my actors have thanked me. My director gives full credit. So I think things have changed a lot. And if you are here for the right reason, with good intent, it all comes back.
I have my own casting agency, but because we make erotic films. And when I say erotic, I mean erotic. So I can't tell you about them because it's not correct, our culture.
It's a family thing, right?
Family to nahi hai isme. It's just lonely old men who watch this show. Some of them dress up as women. And, whatever it takes. I'm not judging. You have to get through the day.
Yeah.
Everyone's not a famous actor. So, you do what you can if you have a mirror. It's that kind of thing. But Shruti, thank you for humoring me. I'm an old man with all kinds of organ failure, and this has been a wonderful experience for all of us. And as you leave, you'll see a lot of people come to talk to you, because everybody who works here wants to be an actor. And watch out for Abbas. I'm not lying about him. He was
he
in Gunnar.
around?
He may be lucky. Has he come today? No, he's not come.
So lucky me.
Lucky you. Run is what I'm saying. ASAP. Right. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, Cyrus. Thank
Bye.
you.